Hi, it's Alison with my keto fitness journey, and I'm making an effort to up my exercise, but I do have to be really careful about it because of my history of my rheumatoid arthritis. And yesterday I tried a 5 mile walk out across the fields near where I live, and it was just a little bit too much. So I am feeling a little bit achy today, but not too bad. So come out into Milton Keynes, into an area where we don't walk very often. And this is the advantages of COVID and lockdown, in that we're investigating areas that we haven't found before. And I have found this wonderful area near New Bradwell and Bradwell Abbey. You know, I've seen the signs for this place up for years and never actually visited before. And here with my husband Paul and my dog Daisy, who is having a good paddle in this bit of water. I don't think you can see her, but she's just absolutely enjoying it down in the stream. There she is, and having a paddle in the water. So I had a word with Mark today about the fact that I was aching a bit after my long walk, and his advice is to do more little and often. And this area of Milton Keynes, there's huge swathes of areas we can explore with regular car parks. So we can pop out, do a 2 to 4k walk, pop back in again and explore new areas. And even more of a bonus if Daisy finds somewhere, there she goes in again, to go for a paddle. It's all about listening to your body and being kind to yourself. You probably can't hear me very well because the wind is blowing, but I just wanted to do this quick video of showing you where we are and keeping myself accountable. That's Alison Mead signing off.